Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So now finally our photo editor software playlist is ended. Now we can upload videos on more interesting topics. So basically in today's video we will also tell you about an best application which is basically paid but not too much costly. So again, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So first of all, we simply need to open the Play Store. So on Play Store we can find the N-Track Studio Pro application. Basically this application is for musicians, a best application to produce best quality sounds. So this application is totally new and just have 10,000 plus downloads and rated for 3 plus. And Now we need to discuss its best features. A music studio in your pocket. uh, in this application we can find a complete music setup, record, edit and mix audio from this application, enhance your sound with many induced effects. We can um, enhance the quality of our sound through this app, play built-in or external, create beats. We can also create beats from this application. And There are also many options available in this app. That's why I recommend you to download this application if you're a musician and enjoy its best features. This is very cheap. Its price is very cheap. It's not too much costly. This application is just available in $18. So create, record and share your music from anywhere. Music recording and production. This application is basically for music production and music recording. We can record every kind of music from this application. Join the beta. This application is also present in the form of beta. So if you're a musician, then I highly recommend you to download this app in your mobile phone to produce and create best sounds. So this is our today's tutorial. So if you guys like today's video, then please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We need your support to reach 2000 family on YouTube. So you will find best quality content on this channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.